Hi, let me show you how to view total call time on iPhone 16e. For that, we are going to open Settings and find this section Cellular, but in your case, it can be called Mobile Data, Mobile Service. So click it, and after that, scroll all the way down, and you should see Call Time tab. So we got Current Period and Lifetime. Lifetime shows the total time of all calls since you started using your SIM card. This includes data from previous devices, such as iPhone 6 or 7, so on, if your SIM card has remained the same. And Current Period tab displays the call times for the current period since the last time the statistics were reset. And it is recommended to reset current period periodically for convenient tracking of call times. So you can click here and reset statistics. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.